Alright, good morning everybody. Got another mystery for the internet here. So the other day I was swapping out my alternator and I neglected to disconnect the battery. Ended up shorting the connection on the engine block. But then I ended up removing the battery, taking everything out, replaced everything as it should have been, and now the car is dead as a doornail. So I'm gonna come in here and show you some of the symptoms. You can see I've kind of torn the car apart, trying to figure out what's going on. So when you stick the key in the ignition, power goes through, but then when you turn it, nothing. And hazard, which is supposed to work at all times, is barely coming on, and there's no horn. Oh, it was trying to get through. Huh, interesting.